A ver, otra vez. 3, 2, 1. Hi, doctor.
Hi, Emily.
How are you?
It's Helen, and you?
I really am so.
Why? What happened to you?
What happened is that last month I went to a party, and from there, even before, I haven't felt good.
Oh, what symptoms do you have?
I feel very dizzy, and I have a lot of vomit.
Oh, can I give you some advice?
Yes, of course.
Okay. It's important to eat. Sorry. I think it's important to rest because maybe you have an infection.
My God, pardon me?
Yes, it's common to have those symptoms.
I didn't understand the last part because I had these symptoms for months.
So I still take a look.
Okay.
Okay, already. So I think you may have symptoms of some diseases that affect your body.
Excuse me? Oh my God, really?
And yes, I think that yes, but what other symptoms do you have?
I have fever and a terrible headache. Terrible, really.
Pardon me?
Yes, what happened is that since last month I feel really bad, and I didn't want to call you because I thought it was a symptom that would soon pass.
As a doctor, I would recommend that you go to a hospital and keep at rest.
Okay, thanks for your attention. Before going to hospital, could you tell me what do you think or I should think for now?
Yes, of course. At the moment, you should only take acetaminophen.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Emily. Take care. Get better.
Bye.